Container gardening is growing in popularity because it allows you to exercise your green thumb without a huge investment in time, money, or even space. All you need is a container of some sort. We're using a 5-gallon bucket that you can get at any hardware store or home center. And I started by drilling some drainage holes in the bottom. Then I'm going to add maybe 5 or 6 inches of styrofoam peanuts to help excess moisture drain out. Sometimes you see people use gravel, but gravel's extremely heavy. So this is a much smarter technique by using the peanuts. And then I'm going to add soil, but I'm only going to add a little bit of soil at a time. Maybe 3 or 4 inches. That's plenty. And then, spread it out, I'm going to add some gelatin. This is just plain old gelatin you get at any supermarket. Add 1 pouch, just sprinkle it in. And what that's going to do, it's going to retain the moisture and then release it slowly over time, which is going to ensure a nice healthy plant. And then you just keep repeating this. Add a little more soil, spread it out, and another packet of gelatin. And you continue in this way until the bucket's full. Mix it in, and once it's full, pack it down a little bit, and you're ready to put in your plants.